Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox and review Telesin Accessory Kit for GoPro Hero 9 Black. This video is not sponsored by Telesin. Alright, I purchased this accessory kit when I was looking for a screen and lens protector for my GoPro. Besides having a screen and lens protector, this kit also contains a rubber case and battery door. The quality of screen protector is okay and I don't have much to say about it. Instead, let's focus on the additional accessories that we get in the package. Battery cover in the package had a cheap plastic feeling. I think it's fair for the price point. It was really easy to set up and it made charging much simpler, just plug and play. And of course, we should note that it doesn't protect your GoPro from dust and moisture. Therefore, probably I'm not going to use it all the time, but sometimes it's useful, especially when I'm in home condition, for example. Alright, let's talk about the rubber case. Actually, there's not much to say about the rubber case, other than it includes one lens cap for protecting your GoPro lens while you're not recording. Overall, I saw a couple issues with that rubber case. First one is that it covers the battery door that you have in the GoPro, and at the same time, you can't use ND or CPL filters provided by Telesin when you are using that rubber case. So yeah, that's all I can say about the rubber case part. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please click like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos.